Hi, today we're going to go over 7 social media mistakes that can harm your career. Many courts have upheld the rights of employers to see everything in your social media accounts. Employers even study the social media accounts of prospective new employees before they're hired. You can even be forced to log in and provide full access. Yes, that is a thing. So let's avoid making social media mistakes that could result in the loss of your employment. You need to use social media platforms wisely by avoiding these 7 mistakes. Number 1, posting about controversial topics. Public comments regarding emotionally charged topics is always risky. You might not like the idea of same-sex marriage or have strong opinions about religion, but you never know whom you might offend with your stance, so proceed at your own risk. For example, Gilbert Gottfried made a joke on Twitter. It got him fired from Affleck because it was about Japan right after that really big earthquake. Not okay? Got him fired. Number 2, discussing work, interview opportunities, or job offers. Does it seem smart to post to the world that you just had a great job interview with another company? You might be excited about the opportunity down the street, but it would be prudent to not announce your enthusiasm in a public forum, at least until you've accepted an offer and submitted your resignation. Until then, you should probably be discreet. Number 3, failing to understand the concept of zombie content. While it may seem that you have the option of quickly deleting any inappropriate content, it's rarely the case. Once it's out on the web, it's there forever. It can keep coming back to haunt your future like a zombie raising from the dead. That inappropriate picture or post might show up at the most inappropriate time, perhaps right before a job interview or an offer. Avoid ever posting anything you wouldn't want your boss or your mother to see. Number 4, posting content while you claim to be sick or injured. There have been several instances of employees calling into work sick, only then to post photos of themselves at ball games, the beach, party. All it takes is for your work nemesis to see it. You can be sure your boss will be informed pretty quickly that you weren't really sick, and that can cause problems down the road. Number 5, combining personal and business contacts unskillfully. It's likely that your personal contacts will be bored with your posts regarding work. It's also likely that many of the posts your personal contacts would find interesting aren't appropriate for your work audience. Your old college buddies might be impressed that you can still stand on your head and drink from a keg, but your boss might wonder if you're the right person to negotiate a contract with a European supplier. Number 6, adding content at the improper time. We all slow down a little at 3 p.m., but that doesn't mean it's a good time to post to your social media accounts. Your boss and your coworkers think that you should be working. At best, your boss will decide you need maybe a little more work to do. At the worst, your boss will suggest that you find another job with another company. Posting too much can be nearly as bad as posting at the wrong time. What message are you sending if you post continuously on your off time? That's not the type of person that's given greater levels of responsibility in a professional capacity. Number 7, profanity, poor grammar, and nudity. While the use of colorful language can help get your point across, you should probably reconsider. Poor grammar can also send the wrong message, and modesty is usually the best policy when it comes to clothing. The various social media platforms provide an effective way to communicate with others. Use these tools to your advantage. Unfortunately, social media can also cause a lot of harm to your career. Be careful of the image that you're presenting to the world. Take control of your social media presence. For other tips, tricks, and tools, be sure to check out amberwheeler.com. I'll see you there.